Hi and welcome to session 1. Over the next 7 sessions, you're going to learn a simple technique that can transform your life. This technique will help you be happier, more peaceful and relaxed, and to fulfill your highest potential. So let's get started. Sit down comfortably. You can sit on the floor or on a chair or sofa, wherever you like as long as you're comfortable. And take a few slow and deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Fill your lungs completely with air. And then breathe out through your mouth. Just keep your mouth slightly open and relaxed. Let go of all the air. Take a few more breaths like this. Don't strain, don't push. Give your body plenty of time to breathe. Now let your breathing return to its natural rhythms, breathing in and out through your nose again. Let your eyes gently close. And now just take a few moments to notice how your body is feeling right now. Notice the contact between your body and the chair. Notice any sensations coming to you from the body. Maybe you notice some warmth or cold. Tingling, vibration, numbness. I'd like you to try to experience the sensations, even if you can't quite describe them. Now, if your mind goes elsewhere, maybe to the past or future, or some thought or feeling takes you away from the sensations, just notice that. Notice that your mind has moved away, and then see if you can come back to these sensations. Move your attention back to the contact between your body and the chair. And gently open your eyes. Well, you've just meditated for a few minutes. What was that like for you? How do you feel right now? And no matter what you experience with this first session, remember it's a new skill. It will take some time and practice, but the benefits are many. So come back for the next session as we continue this practice. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back for session 2.